Good afternoon. Derek and I here are going to go flying out to, where are we going today?
Puyallup.
Yeah, Puyallup, maybe Auburn, depends on the weather. It's a little cloudy out there, a little bit of rain, but I think it'll be fine. Had a massive thunderstorm last night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy couldn't sleep. He crawled into bed with us. The whole house was shaking. Car alarms were going off. It was nuts. But today, looks like it'll be a much better day.
Initial contact, you have information
Whiskey. How you doing, bud?
Good.
Ready for this?
Yep.
Should be a fun one.
Yeah. Yep, yeah.
Rotor RPMs joining. Holding it at about 1500 RPMs.
Seems like the rain went away over there. I can't see the mist anymore.
Yeah. Looks like we're getting
with you.
better weather down there.
Number 2, runway 14, exit land.
So this is going to be,
We'll probably make it to Puyallup, I hope.
yeah.
Controls free and correct. Trim is on my side. Everything's good. Thank you very much. Here we go. We'll stage at 2300 and we'll pick it up. And we have whiskey, right?
Yep.
Nice hover at about 23 and a half, clearing a little behind us.
860
Scoot
left
over a
Alpha 4,
bit.
cross runway 14 left, contact ground.
Boeing Tower, good afternoon. Helicopter 811 Tango Tango is at pad 2, ready to go south takeoff, Oakdale departure. I have whiskey.
Helicopter 811 Tango Tango Boeing Tower, Oakdale departure approved, departure from pad 2 via on range, Quinn 2304.
Oakdale departure for 811 Tango Tango, thank you. Clear everywhere, and off we go. Looking for 45 knots, holding it down. Once you get 45, we can pull up and climb.
Oh, wow. Cessna Caravan.
Yep. Lots of Brazilias down there too.
Yeah. Mirror flight. Ooh, it's now 27.
Very cool. Lights out, instruments in the green. Everything's looking good. Fuel pump, alternator. Nice climb, around 55 knots. Looking for the Oakdale departure.
Isn't that the Seahawks training
Take front 27
center?
left at Alpha 9, contact ground point 9.
Seahawks train across the lake.
Oh, ooh.
Nice smooth day.
Yeah.
You see SeaTac out there to the right? It's just to the right.
Oh, yeah, I see it. I see the tower. And I see an airplane taking off.
Yeah. That's SeaTac. There's our 900. I'd like to come through here around 900 feet. It'll be a nice flight.
Yep.
How you doing? You comfy?
Yeah.
Cool. Do you want to tune up? Can you queue up a frequency for me?
Yeah.
133.775.
133.775.
There you go. There's a 775, and give me the 133. It's pretty nice having a co-pilot. There you go, 133775. That's the Long Acres frequency.
Renton Airport is on the other side of the lake, right?
Yeah, or those Renton just at our like 10, 11 o'clock. All those warehouses, the Boeing warehouses over there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's where the 737 Maxes are getting pumped out right now.
Yeah, pretty quick flight. You can actually see them.
Yeah, I remember when I was training in the airplane, the Renton transition from Boeing Field was a pretty quick sequence of events.
But again, like, car driving, it'll be like 10 minutes, but...
If you're speeding, yeah.
Yeah.
if you're speeding and there's no traffic. Okay, lights still out, instruments in the green, nothing in the way. Thanks for holding our jackets, bud. It was kind of chilly out there, and then when I got in here, I was like, oh man, never mind.
Yeah.
And I like to switch over to Long Acres around 405.
Okay, so as soon as we pass over that.
Yeah, and I will I'll flip over with my control here.
One tower, good afternoon, Beaver 249 November, we're up on Shoal 1800 inbound with Whiskey.
Amphib Beaver 249 November, Boeing Tower.
This is where I flip, I'm flipping over.
Clock.
Listen for a moment. If we don't hear anybody, we make a call. Long Acres traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is southbound 700 feet, just crossing I-405, Long Acres.
Long Acres traffic, helicopter 18 Whiskey is over the side, mile southbound, headed towards Auburn at 1,000 feet, descending Long Acres.
I'm putting on my landing lights since there's another helicopter. He's going same direction ahead of us, but...
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Good.
It's a little bumpy. I'm keeping us a little slower than normal just so that we don't get bumped around as much.
Yeah.
One of my instructors would tell me, the helicopter tells you when it's not happy. And when it's not happy, just slow it down. You make the helicopter happy and it'll make you happy. Long Acres traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is southbound 700 feet, just over the sawdust piles, Long Acres.
Long Acres traffic, helicopter 18 Whiskey, just north of Auburn, switching over Auburn frequency.
Is it at the hockey stadium?
No, yeah, that's where he's close to. He's making his last call for Long Acres. So we're going roughly the same speed. So we're no factor. I have my landing light on, like I said. It just makes me easier to spot. Especially like white helicopter against white clouds.
Yeah.
But he's going the same direction. So he knows I'm here, I know he's here. We're just making our position reports. It's a big deal in uncontrolled airspace.
Yeah.
So we got SeaTac just off our right. So we're gonna stay out of their airspace. They actually have a Class Delta surface area, and we're gonna obviously have to avoid flying into that. So we'll stay over the highway here. If I were going to Auburn, I'd continue following this train track, but because we're not going to Auburn, I'm gonna follow the 167 here.
Race the cars. I'm just joking.
Yeah, they're probably gonna beat us with this headwind.
Yeah.
So I just climbed this up to 800.
Okay.
The terrain is kind of rising a bit, and I think it'll be a little smoother when we're not right at the level of the top of the hills here.
Yeah. Pretty tall hills.
Yeah. I'm actually going to get us a little farther from the edge of the hills because there's a little bit of mechanical turbulence and whatnot coming off the edges.
Yeah.
Auburn traffic 99 Delta, 2 miles to the east, planning to overfly runway for 16.
Can you tune?
Celsius.
Yeah.
122.7. 122.7.
8 inches of mercury.
There you go. Good job. Thank you.
For traffic, Skywagon 185 Charlie Delta, 7 shoreline inbound
Have the traffic over Lake Ballinger, and we'll stay to your right. Pierce County, Navy on -2, left base for 173 green, full stop, Pierce County.
You feel that wind pushing us?
Yep. That way.
Yeah, it's a kind of crazy crab, isn't it?
Yeah.
20 knot headwind, crosswind, quartering headwind. Pierce County traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is 5 to the north over the fairgrounds at 1,200 inbound for 17 Pierce County. Right over the fairgrounds, that's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Pierce County traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is turning final for 17 Pierce County. We're a helicopter, so
Yeah.
we fly a steeper approach than an airplane. You see it's all white. This point I'm going to start a descent with the collective. I'm going to control our airspeed with the cyclic.
Wait, it's all white?
Yeah, it's 4 white lights.
Oh, okay. I think I may have actually read it as red.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I'm aiming for that second taxiway on the right.
Oh. Okay.
Basically just to the right of those lights.
Yeah, I see it.
So we got a nice smooth descent going in here. Got a pretty good headwind. So I'm adjusting things as we go. I know we don't want to descend at our normal rate because the wind is slowing us down. So if we descend at our normal rate, we're going to end up coming short. So I'm keeping our descent pretty gradual.
Yeah.
Staying on top of things with my feet.
Is it still white?
For 300 AGL, 50 knots. Sorry, you want to be 300 AGL, 50 knots, 200 AGL, 40, 100 AGL, 30. It's still all white. We're pretty high, right? We're a helicopter coming in on a steep approach.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I think it actually is because I'm colorblind. I saw that.
Is that why you're not seeing it quite right?
Yeah, I saw it as red for some reason. Maybe it was just the glare.
Yeah. There's ETL. A little bit of shake as we get below, as we lose ETL. And you see that right here, right where we're aiming, right?
Yep.
Taxiway is right there. We can prove it to the camera. Here's our taxiway. Shall we go?
Yep.
Call this a cross country. Let's get back on center line here. The wind's kind of pushing us around a little bit, and off we go. Pierce County traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is on the go, 17, making right close traffic, Pierce County. And we're off.
Is that a helipad down there?
I don't know. I don't see what you're pointing at. Pierce County traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is turning right downwind for 17 Pierce. Woohoo, that wind. Got a monster tailwind right now.
Yeah, like we're going way faster than I thought.
Yeah.
I think the aviation nerds that live over there probably are like super happy that they have like an airport right there.
Yeah. I love living next to an airport.
Yeah. But also a bit loud.
Yeah. I'll deal with it. That is one monster tailwind we've got right now.
Yeah.
Look at our crab angle too. We're pointed this way to go straight and follow the road. Huh.
Yeah.
Clear on final, everywhere's clear. Pierce County traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is turning right base to final for 17 Pierce. Gonna make a somewhat aggressive turn because we got a big wind pushing us around. Wow, we're gonna overshoot that. That was some monster winds, man. So we aim for the same spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why aren't the lights on?
Let's see if there's pilot controlled lighting here.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
And an airplane will like overshoot it, and we'll go to like the third taxiway or something.
There we go. Shall we go?
Sure.
Here we go. Pierce County traffic, helicopter 811 Tango Tango is on the go, 17, making a right downwind departure toward the north, Pierce County. Clear, clear, clear. Gonna get this crab angle going again. It's pretty nuts.
Yeah. What is the next frequency that we need?
122.8. Thanks for taking care of that. Very, very helpful. There's the fare.
Oh, yeah.
You see it? You see the fare?
Yeah, and I see the helipad.
Cool.